How to recover a disabled Instagram account. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To recover a disabled Instagram account, head over and check out a browser, search for help.instagram.com. Here you will see disabled Instagram account, tap on it. So right over here, you will find some of the articles referring to the Instagram account deactivation or how you can recover and why you cannot recover it. Now, in the case if someone else has the access to your account and that is the reason why you are not being able to recover, just click on the link, visit this page. This will redirect you to a new page where you can just click on any of the option and tap on the next button. Now, here you need to enter the username, phone number or email address of yours that you remember so far. After that, you need to click on the next button. When you tap on the next button, then it will ask you for some of the account that might be associated with the phone number or email address. Locate your specific account, which will help you to recover your disabled Instagram account with a simple tap. You can also reset your password so that no one else can get access to your Instagram account once again. So follow this quick and easy step to recover a disabled Instagram account. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.